Read the book, Lemmings. Written by Ame Dyckman, illustrated by Zachariah OHora. Read the book, Lemmings. Foxy found a quiet spot to read his book about lemmings. Huh, Foxy said. Says here, lemmings don't jump off cliffs. Jump, I'll jump, said a lemming. Me too, said a second. Ditto, said a third. Geronimo! Huh, said Captain Peavy. Guess they didn't read the book. Foxy looked. Wet, very wet, called the first lemming. Me too, called the second. Ditto, called the third. Foxy sighed. Sir, may I borrow your bucket? Fine, said Captain Peavy, but your lemmings better not eat my fish. Foxy pulled. Foxy dumped. Foxy gave his lemmings names and hats so he could scold them properly. Focus, Jumper, Foxy said. You too, me too. Ditto, ditto. Foxy opened his book. Read the book, lemmings. Huh, said the lemmings. Exactly, Foxy said. The book says you don't. Don't? Asked Jumper. Don't what? Jump off cliffs, Foxy said. Jump, I'll jump, said Jumper. Me too, said me too. Ditto, said Ditto. Geronimo! You know, said Captain Peavy, I don't think they read the book. Help, need help, called Jumper. Me too, called me too. Ditto, called Ditto. Foxy groaned. I hate to ask again. Oh, take it, grumbled Captain Peavy. My fish already taste like lemmings. Foxy dumped the lemmings out a little less gently than before. Falling, I'm falling, said Jumper. Me too, said me too. Fell, said Ditto. What were you thinking? Foxy yelled. The book says you don't Foxy stopped. Just read the book, lemmings. Ah, said the lemmings. They took a look and returned the book. Huh, said Captain Peavy. Good thing you didn't say jump. Jump? Geronimo! Nope, said Captain Peavy. They definitely didn't read the book. Sinking, sinking fast, called Jumper. Me too, called me too. Glub, glubbed Ditto. There was no time to use the bucket. Watch my book, Foxy said. Cannonball! Foxy scooped. Foxy swam. Foxy flopped. Saved, I'm saved, said Jumper. Me too, said me too. Ditto opened his mouth. I love you. Foxy blinked. Thank you, Foxy said. Ditto. Question, Foxy asked. Why didn't you read the book, lemmings? Can't read, said Jumper. Me neither, said me too. I can burp the alphabet, said Ditto. Huh, said Captain Peavy. That's a good start. I'll teach you to read, lemmings, Foxy promised. They practiced reading all afternoon. Until lemmings don't jump off cliffs. Foxy finally returned to his reading, but Captain Peavy could not. Where's my paper? We fly. The end.